Welcome to Web Next Gen YouTube channel. When we start Photoshop, by default home screen or workspace appears. Any recently opened files appear as thumbnails in the center of the home screen. It also appears every time we close out of a document. To disable the home screen, go up to the Edit menu. Choose Preferences, and then choose General. Simply uncheck Show Start Workspace when no documents are open. You'll need to quit and relaunch Photoshop for the change to take effect. Then, relaunch Photoshop. When Photoshop opens, the home screen will not appear. Instead, you'll see an empty workspace. Please subscribe our channels for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.